In this video, we'll show you how to set up a new Apple HomePod and share how you can use it with other smart home devices. Let's get started. The Apple HomePod is made specifically with Apple users in mind. If you don't own an Apple device, it won't be easy to use. Before you begin setup, you'll want to place the HomePod 6 to 12 inches away from any wall or corner, because the HomePod detects the room's best acoustic direction when you power it on. To begin setup, power the HomePod with the attached cable. You'll need an iOS device that supports HomeKit. For this demonstration, we're using an iPhone. After the HomePod is plugged in, a white light will appear. Hold your iPhone near the HomePod. With your iPhone unlocked, a notification will appear on your screen. Tap the Setup button, then select a room, enable personal requests, and follow any other prompts. If you're setting up a second HomePod speaker, you'll see an option to use your HomePod as a stereo pair. Pairing two HomePod speakers for the same room creates the best stereo experience in the smart speaker world. Once you've added all the speakers you want, wait for the HomePod to finish the setup process. Done. Next, let's check out some of its features. Once setup is complete, your phone will suggest a few things to ask, like checking the weather or creating lists and reminders. To avoid activating your devices, I'll avoid saying the wake word aloud, but you'd say this. To ask about the weather, say, "Tell me about the weather." You can ask for stock updates, news, sports, set multiple timers, create calendar appointments, take phone calls, send texts, and ask her just about anything. The Apple HomePod has impressive speakers that beat its competition. The mic features are also super impressive. They pick up your voice even through loud music, so you don't have to scream at them. Apple's HomePod also connects with other smart devices to automate your home. Once inside the HomeKit app, you can learn more about all the accessories you can use with Apple's HomeKit. For example, you can control light bulbs through the HomePod. In this case, we will use a LifeX light bulb. Setup is simple. Turn on my bedroom lamp. Smart home events like this can be triggered with things other than your voice or the app, like your location. You can set up actions with Apple HomeKit to trigger when you get home from work, or even enter a certain room. Pretty sweet. The possibilities of home automation are endless. Our team of experts at Secure Life have dedicated thousands of hours reviewing products that help you make your home smarter and safer. To learn how, visit the Smart Home section at asecurelife.com.